Alright, I just got this package from Amazon at like 5 in the morning, and it's some new stuff for the moped. So we got, I didn't open it, I just cut it open to help. Sweet. Use my toe. Some riding gloves. Some mesh material, so it's good for the summertime. Got some padding on the palm, padding on the knuckles, and some on the fingers. Pretty sweet. I like the logo design too. It's pretty cool. Alright, now. Oh, these are chains for motorized bikes. I got 2 motorized bikes that I need to put new chains on. And this is what will help me take off. Hard to get to Phillips and Flathead. And this is what I was really waiting for. Oh man. That's some horrible packaging. How it came. It's the new mic for my motovlogs to make the sound quality better. Let me open this up. This feels like the actual mic. This is okay. It's an extra long one. Here's the mic right here. Oh, I like that. It's small. It's not gonna get in the way in the helmet. That's what the last mic did. Sweet. That's gonna help with the wind. And it's got the Type-C adapter. But yeah, I'm excited now. It's official. I'll be doing some decent moto vlogs, hopefully. And try out the Purple Panda headphones, and then try out these gloves, and then give you guys a review on them. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned, guys.